I'm excited to try these, but I'm like so nervous because I'm like exposing myself essentially. You know what I mean?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is so if you saw the title of the video, we are doing a Fashion Nova unboxing, unbagging haul that is somewhat out of my comfort level because Fashion Nova, if you've ever seen their website, is very sexy, sexified, you know, skin tight, short skirt, short crop top, boobs out, legs out, booty out if you have one and I don't, but all that. And normally when I shop from Fashion Nova, I normally get like sweaters, leggings, what else have I gotten from there? Jackets, like, you know, good jackets and stuff.
But this time, your girl went and got like crop top, jeans, and I don't wear jeans, but I got jeans. A jumpsuit. Who are you? Who are you that you're buying a jumpsuit? 'Cause you're probably not gonna wear it. Depending on how it looks, though, you never know. Crop top, low cut. This is where I like my V-neck to hit. This bodysuit looks like it's gonna hit like right here. Hopefully, right here. Who am I? I don't know. Like skin tight. I don't know if it's see-through shirt or skin tight see-through shirt. Should we just jump in? Let's jump.
Okay, skirt. Before we jump in to the unbagging, I just want to say that what my comfort zone is may not be your comfort zone, and that's okay. You know, I tend to cover up more so than show off the curves because my curves are not in the right place to show off, but that's me. That's where I'm comfortable. If you are comfortable with form-fitting crop top clothing, do you, because I wish that I had that confidence, but I don't. Maybe this will help me, you know what I mean? Yeah, like I typically cover up my fupa, but I'm getting a little bit more comfortable, slowly but surely. Okay. Alrighty, so let's get to this unbagging. It came a little broken right there, so you can see the color of one. Okay, I think that's as far as I'm gonna get it open. Let's start with this here. This yellow top, yellow earrings from Burlington. Okay, so this shirt here is called the Chosen One top in yellow in a 3X. How short? This is gonna be so my whole stomach is about to be out. But it is a very pretty yellow. The fabric, it's what I thought it would be. It's gonna like that crepe type material. I have my note cards here. The Chosen One crop top is a crop top that cost me $4.97. Oh my god, look at the back is even out. Y'all know I don't like my Betty out. Next, let's go with, should we knock out the one that is my normal, which are leggings? I typically buy my leggings. In fact, some of my favorite holiday leggings are Fashion Nova ones. pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like the material, but these are the waisted away high-rise legging in charcoal, and this is in the size 2X, 3X. Hopefully more so on the 2X. Oh, the material feels almost like a scarf. Wow. But kind of weird too at the same time. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try these on. Look at this thick old like band. And they're pretty long. They're really pretty color charcoal. We're gonna have to try these on. Okay, so these ones cost $2.98. Guys, I said if I was going to try some clothes that were out of my norm, I was gonna do clearance all the way. Okay, I have another top coming out. This is a skin tight top called Don't You Dare Snakeskin. Lime neon snakeskin lime. It's in a 3X. Again, oh, it's that material that I do not like. It's like scuba knit material. The inside is not lined. And it looks like it can be like a crop top, so I have no idea what to wear this with. Maybe like a long black skirt would be cute. If you guys have any ideas of what to wear this with, let me know in the comments down below. The Don't You Dare top was $12.98. I hope you fit me properly, please. Something you all should know by now that I have difficulties in wearing and purchasing are denim jeans, like actual denim. Like recently I've been getting into like jeggings more, like even jeggings, like Levi's jeggings. So if you want to see a video, which you will be soon, throw me a thumbs up down below. Okay, but jeans are not my thing. I prefer leggings. I'm stuck on the chair. I prefer like palazzo pants, to be honest. It's my hippie side coming out. But I bought jeans with a button. Yes, jeans with a button, and I technically got them because of their color, and I'm just hoping that the button doesn't hurt me. Plus I hear Fashion Nova's jeans or denim are really comfortable. So these are the Eva Super Soft Curvy Skinny Jean in the color yellow. Say what? They're denim, that's for sure, like a soft denim. They feel kind of stretchy. Oh yeah, there's some stretch in there. Look at this color. I guess this might be my color for summer. Okay. These were only... Okay. $5.97. Yes, like they be having some good sales. Well, I just hope they fit well, especially here in the butt, because I don't have like a butt, but look how long this is. Is my butt that long because I'm a size 20? I don't know, like I'm a little nervous. Let's see. So next, are we really doing the jumpsuit? 3 more things to go. 3 more things to go. So my first jumpsuit was the Sheehan Camouflage jumpsuit, and I got that for the San Antonio trip. If you haven't seen my plus size wardrobe for San Antonio, I'll link it right down below. It was a plus size pack with me video, and you can see how that fit me. But I thought I would try one from Fashion Nova, and so I picked up this one. It's a red jumpsuit. It's a red jumpsuit, and it's called Santa Monica Bar Jumpsuit. And it was $12.98. It's in a size 3X. It's a very crepey material, like very crepey. No stretch, really. So, where is the top? There's no back to it. Oh no. This is the top. Oh no, this is the back, like that. And then this is the top. And it goes down to here. It looks very lightweight, at least, because it is hot here already. Does it have pockets? I thought I saw pockets. No pockets. So the last two items that I got are probably my favorite items. One is a little bit more comfortable than the other, I'm not gonna lie. So the one that I like, the top that I like, hopefully the material is okay, because it doesn't look like it here, but it looked like it was going to be okay in the pictures. So this is the Need More Time bodysuit. I was like, what? Are you sure? And it's in white. It's a 3X. This is the one that's pretty low cut. Yeah, it's still that same material, which I don't understand. Why is everything coming in this material? Like other things that I've ordered from Fashion Nova have been a really nice material, like soft and lightweight. This is kind of like that itchy type material. Oh, this V is a lot lower than I thought. So, oh my god, I don't even know if I'm able to wear a bra with this. This is in the size 3X. So I have wide leg pants from Sheehan, and they're actually this material too, so maybe I'm wrong. I'm gonna try it on with that, and this was $6.97. Okay, last but not least, it's probably my most favorite thing that I got. I want to say this was a part of the Cardi B collection. It is. Okay. Come on. This is the I'm First, She's Last jacket, and it did have matching pants, but I did not get the pants. It is the purple jacket. It's a crop top jacket, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel, but I mean, I don't know what to wear it with just yet. It's like a patent leathery material too, which is crazy. Oh, it's not even that short. It's actually really cute. Oh my gosh. So this is in a size 3X, and this was $23.98. But that's a good deal because it was originally like pretty expensive. And it is the Cardi B collection. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay, let's try them on, and we're gonna jump into the montage of outfits while and then I'll be back for final review. Alright guys, so we're here with final review. It's actually the morning after. It's the morning after, but I had a lot of time to think about these clothes. So, when we're talking about the yellow top, it's just really, really short. And I know the pants that I wore with it probably were not the best pants, but it's just too short for me. The leggings, no. I liked how high they came. I hate, and that is a strong word, and I tend not to use that word, but I hated the material. Like, I know why they were $2.98. The lime snakeskin shirt was okay. It wasn't form-fitting though. Like, it said that it was like skin tight and it came all loose and stuff. So let's see. The jeans on the bottom fit great. The top fit fine. Like, it wasn't too tight on my scars that tend to swell. But it was too loose, like in the butt. It was not good. It just didn't fit me right. It didn't cut me correctly. The bodysuit. So the bodysuit was not that bad. I do have to close this thing with like a little pin or something. It kept flapping open for like all of my tatas to be out, and you know, the last two are my favorite. That bodysuit, the white one with the sleeves, oh my gosh, besides needing like a different bra or like some tape to like put it over here or something, I love that bodysuit. The material is heavy, so, but it didn't feel uncomfortable, which is great. And then those pants that I wore them with, I loved it with that. Those were from Fashion Nova as well from a few years ago. I wore those for my birthday. And then came the Cardi B jacket, the purple one. So cute. So cute. It's already hot here though, so I don't know if I have to wear that. I have to wait till fall to wear that, but it is so cute. Hey guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this out of my comfort Fashion Nova haul. I am not the one to show off low v-necks, my back fat Betty. I am not the one to like just always have out my fupa rolls. But, you know, I want to try to build my confidence. So if I can put this stuff on and it doesn't make me feel how I think I'm going to feel in it, that's a win for me. But, and you know, I would say a good half of them made me feel that way. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any other items that you think I should try for my body shape or form, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more haul videos like this, which are out of my comfort, I'm willing to do it for you. Yes. But yeah, if there is anything specifically you want to see on my channel, don't forget to drop it down below in the comments.
And I will do my best to provide and entertain.
Alright, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and that bell notification to see more wonderful videos just like this of me putting myself out there for your entertainment. Yes. Okay, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye, adios. Time for breakfast.